Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of March 14th, 2025, our system has classified supermicrocomputer as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.4. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects a loss of negative 0.55% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 0.27% since it received the hold or accumulate designation. The stock is positioned within a robust and expansive upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 31.97% over the coming 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from 9.32% to 105.01%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 56.65%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 100% to negative 43.09% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $23.87. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer includes the headline: Supermicrocomputer stock price ended at $41.94 on Monday, after losing 0.545%. The supermicrocomputer stock price fell by 0.545% on the last day, Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, from $42.17 to $41.94. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.55%, with a day low at $40.90 and a day high of $43.17. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, and there has been a gain of 16.27% over the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should typically follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 17 million shares, with a total of 40 million shares bought and sold for approximately $1.67 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $114.78, and the lowest price was $17.25. Currently, the price is 63.46%, or $72.84, below the 52-week high, and 65.87%, or $80.96, below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $122.90. Supermicrocomputer, or SMCI, is at a pivotal point as it navigates a volatile market landscape. Today, all eyes are on NVIDIA as CEO Jensen Huang prepares to unveil future advancements in artificial intelligence hardware. This development could significantly influence SMCI, given its focus on high-performance computing and data center solutions, potentially boosting investor confidence and demand for its stock in the short term. Recently, retail sales data came in lower than anticipated, which may signal broader economic challenges and create a cautious atmosphere for investors. However, SMCI has demonstrated resilience, maintaining its strength even as the S&P 500 has entered correction territory. This capability positions SMCI as an appealing option during the recent market downturn and could lead to a rebound in its stock price. Additionally, strong growth in revenue backlog suggests promising prospects for SMCI, with a revenue target of $40 billion for the fiscal year 2026. While concerns about margin erosion persist, the current moderation in stock valuations might offer an attractive entry point for investors seeking long-term growth in a recovering market. As the technology sector remains in focus, SMCI's international presence may attract attention from those looking to invest in the semiconductor industry, despite recent challenges. Overall, while immediate market conditions remain uncertain, SMCI's positive indicators and strategic positioning could enhance its stock price performance in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 10th of March 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of February 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of February 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 6th of November 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a mixed grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Supermicro Computer stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts classify the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro Computer. The Supermicro Computer stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $40.23 and $40.27. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, some negative indicators have emerged that may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 19, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 30.39%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 19 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 7 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 13 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro Computer. Supermicro Computer finds support from accumulated volume at $40.17. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.27 between its high and low, representing a change of 5.55%. In the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 8.33%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Supermicro Computer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, pointing to a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 52 cents. Pay attention to these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicro Computer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicro Computer stands at $42.65. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicro Computer meets its first support level at $40.17. If this support level holds, it could present an attractive entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider purchase of 13,600 shares of common stock. On the same day, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider sale of 13,600 shares of stock options, which is the right to buy. Also, on the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. sold another 13,600 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. sold 5,860 shares of common stock. On the 27th of February, 2025, Wigan David E. made an insider purchase of 11,964 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 34.099. Overall, insiders purchased 5,687,057 shares and sold 2,900,162 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $39.72, reflecting a decrease of 5.3%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 18 days ago. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer shows several positive signals. However, these do not seem sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors may consider holding or accumulating shares while waiting for further developments. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current stock price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 18th of March, we anticipate that Supermicrocomputer will open higher by approximately 6.33 cents, starting at a price of $42. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us at StockInvest.